Hi everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. Today we want to introduce you to breaking dancing that was performed on Tet of Vietnamese traditional New Year in 2020. The breaking dancing is usually performed following the lion dancing. To perform the lion dance, a couple need to cooperate to show up to the audience the same activities of the lion's hands and legs as the real lion does. That you will find in the video on the top right of the screen. In this video, a group of artists will perform to show a long dragon winding in the sky as you can see. This requires the team working perfectly to avoid tangling. I hope all you guys will enjoy this video and give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.